Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita, and today is day number 21 of our 30 days of yoga series for 2021. And today is three-leg dog Thursday. That is a lot, I know. But we are going to be working on down dog, more specifically a three-legged down dog, which you can think of it as kind of a spicy version of down dog. So all you'll need today is yourself and your mat. So you can grab that and we'll go ahead and get started. So we'll start in mountain pose, Tadasana, at the top of the mat. Lifting the shoulders up and back as we stand tall, reaching through the crown of the head. We'll start with 3 deep breaths here. Let's inhale and exhale. 2 more times, inhale and exhale. Last time, inhale and exhale. And then inhale as you reach the arms out and up. Exhale as you hinge from the hips, bring the arms out and down. We're coming to a forward fold. Let the upper body feel heavy towards the mat. Inhale, half forward fold, lengthening the spine, or you can bring your hands beside your shins. Upper body can be parallel to the floor. And exhale, arms come down to the mat. And then we're going to step our right foot back, and then the left, coming into a plank. You can always come down to the knees. And then we'll lower down to the mat. Tops of the feet are down. Inhale as we lift the chest, coming into cobra. Exhale as we come down to the mat. Tucking the toes under. We're pressing up through plank back to downward facing dog. Hold for a breath. And then walk the hands back to meet the feet, coming into a forward fold at the back of the mat. Inhale, half forward fold. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, arms come out and up. Exhale, arms down by your side. We'll do that again. Inhale, arms out and up. Exhale as you come forward and down, come into your forward fold. Inhale, half forward fold. Exhale, forward fold. And then we're going to start to walk the hands forward, come into our plank. And then we'll lower to the mat. Tops of the feet are down. Inhale to your cobra. Exhale down, tuck the toes under, coming back to downward facing dog. Take a full breath here. Start to walk the feet forward, coming to our forward fold. Inhale, half forward fold. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, arms out and up. Exhale, arms down by your side, coming back to mountain pose. Let's go back into it. Inhale, arms out and up. Exhale, arms down, forward fold. Inhale, half forward fold. Exhale, forward fold. Stepping the left foot back this time and then the right. Come into your plank. Lower down to the mat. Tops of the feet are down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale down. Tuck the toes under. We're lifting up to downward facing dog. And then keeping the left foot down, reach the right leg up. So your right hip is down, toes are facing down towards the mat. And then open the hip to the right. You can bend the knee if you want. And then reach the right leg back out. Bring the knee in as you shift forward to a plank, hold. And then back to our three-leg dog. Start to walk the hands back with the legs still up. Reaching, reaching, reaching up. Coming into a little bit of a standing split. And then start to walk the hands forward. We're coming back to downward facing dog. Bringing the right foot down. Walk the hands back one more time. Forward fold at the back of the mat. Inhale, half forward fold. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, arms out and up. Exhale, arms down by your side. Back into mountain pose. Let's get back to the top of the mat. Inhale, arms out and up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, half forward fold. Forward fold, exhale. This time we're walking the hands forward to our plank. And then down to the mat. Tops of the feet are down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale. Chest is down. Tuck the toes. We're pressing up to downward facing dog. Hold for a breath. And then start to walk the feet forward. Coming to a forward fold at the top of the mat. Inhale, half forward fold. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, arms out and up. Exhale, arms down. Readjusting, coming back to our mountain pose, Tadasana. Inhale, arms come out and up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, half forward fold. Exhale, forward fold. Stepping the right foot and then the left back. Come into your plank. Then lowering down to the mat, knees and then chest. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, down. Tuck the toes. We're pressing back to downward facing dog. Hold for a breath. This time, lifting the left leg up. Keeping the toes facing down, keeping the hip down. And then opening the hip to the left. Reaching back out, closing the hip. Bringing the knee in, shifting forward, hold. And back out. And then walk the feet, the hands back. As you lift the left leg, standing split. Breathe here. And then walking the hands forward. Keep wanting to say feet, hands. And then bringing the left leg down. Walking the hands back to a forward fold at the back of the mat. Inhale, half forward fold. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, arms come out and up. Exhale, arms down by your side. And we'll get back to the top of the mat. So let's inhale as you bring the arms out and up. Exhale, coming down to a forward fold. Inhale, half forward fold. Exhale, forward fold. We'll start to walk the hands forward, come into our plank. Lowering down to the mat. Tops of the feet are down. Inhale, cobra, our back bend. Exhale down. Tuck the toes under, we're pressing up to downward facing dog. Take a breath. And then walking the feet forward as we come into our forward fold at the front of the mat. Inhale, half forward fold. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, arms out and up. Exhale, arms down by your side. Back into mountain pose. And we'll end with our 3 deep breaths here. So let's inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. One last time, inhale. And exhale. Thanks for joining me for 3-Leg Dog Thursday. I hope that you enjoy this strength building practice, and I hope to see you tomorrow for day number 22 of our 30 days of yoga journey.